All right, I wanted to make this as a follow-up to the last video we just did, microbiome and LGS, leaky gut syndrome. But here, I just took these from an article. If you wanted to research it, just do any sort of research and it's endless. But I'm going to read this. I don't like reading off slides, but I just want to quote this. So I'm going to start at the top quote right here. But it says, an imbalance of healthy and unhealthy microbes is called gut dysbiosis, and it contributes to weight gain. So again, more unhealthy, more bad bacteria than good bacteria, and we have weight gain. Several studies have shown the gut microbiome differed completely between identical twins, one of whom was obese and one of whom was healthy. This demonstrated that differences in the microbiome were not genetic. They had the same genes, but a different microbiome. So it's not, I'm big because mom was big because grandma was big. It's probably, I'm big because I don't exercise or eat the wrong foods. Mom didn't exercise or she eats the wrong foods. Grandma didn't exercise and she eats the wrong foods. And I'm eating the same recipes and living the same lifestyle, not the genetics. So it's genetics loads the gun, but lifestyle pulls the trigger. So you can have bad genes, but if you live the right lifestyle, you'll turn them off. It's called epigenetics. We'll talk about that later. But read this bottom one. This is interesting. And they're doing this with fecal transplants today, by the way. But here's what happens with mice. When the microbiome from the obese twin was transferred to mice, the mice gained more weight than those that received the microbiome of the lean twin, despite both groups eating the same diet. So they put the obese twin, they took a microbiome sample and put it in the mice, and then they took the twin, the healthy twin, and same thing. So they had the same genetics, they're eating the same diet, but they had two different responses. So it couldn't be genetics only and it couldn't be diet only. It had to be the bacteria in the microbiome. That was the only other factor that changed. So we know this, and they're doing this with humans. If you get really, really sick and your GI tract is a mess, they have fecal transplants so you can transplant bacteria into you, which that's the last way I want to do it, but they're still getting results that way. I'd rather hit it on the front end and just start eating vegetables so I don't have to deal with that, or grow your own or whatever you want to do. But I just wanted a quick follow-up video to show you that your microbiome determines how much weight you do or don't have, or weight you can and can't lose. So support the microbiome, support the GI tract and the bugs, the bacteria. All right, see you at the next one.